I've been in the public eye for about 20 years. I've made my whole living on stage, behind a microphone, and it's always been my number one insecurity has been my hair. I'm tall, I'm a funny guy, I've got no quabs there. It's always my hair. I'm always looking at it in pictures. When people are posting pictures of me on stage, it's the first thing I go to. I've had great moments in life on stage, performing, where they were taken away from me because I saw the bald spot. I could see the crown. I could see the stage light shining through right to my head. And I mean, that's the gist of it. I got sick of seeing that, and I want to do something about it. You're researching it, inevitably, Turkey comes up. I wasn't going to Turkey. And then I realized I didn't want to travel at all for it. I didn't want to go to New York City. I didn't want to go to Boston. Right here in southern New England, I found that the best doctor, from the research that I found and everything, pointed to Dr. Scott Boden.
We took the time, Matthew, to draw in a plan that's going to look natural. It shouldn't be perfectly symmetric, but it should be a nice balance. Make a face, like scowl a little bit. Go now, raise your eyebrows up. It fits the contour of your face nicely. This will be the plan and the sort of the lower perimeter, and then bend your head down a touch. Keep going, keep going, keep going. So we're going to fill this in. We're going to add some density in the crown as well. It's not going to be as thick in the crown as it's going to be in the front.
I had a great day today. We played some great tunes in the room. I had a lot of laughs with the staff here, easy breezy, and I can't believe that was the experience that I had here. I thought this was going to be terribly invasive. I was worried about the pain. I had a completely painless day, and like I said, we had a lot of laughs. It was a great staff here in Wethersfield, and I highly recommend it.
So this is only day one.
Yeah.
The healing looks perfect. You explain you're not having much discomfort?
I feel very lucky. I did a lot of research, and I know that can go either way when you're reading comments on the internet. I heard a lot of complaining about the first nights of sleep. I had none of that. I found a way to sleep. I got the great back pillow. You guys gave me that pillow. Nothing ever touched the back, and that was it. I slept really well.
Perfect. I mean, this is obviously shorter than you normally wear it.
Yeah.
It facilitated a really nice opportunity to get a lot of implanted follicles. Tuck your head forward a little bit. Yeah. So we created a really natural approach. The natural hairline is going to fit in nicely with your facial contours, and we did get a lot of coverage all the way back to the crown.
I think the biggest thing, first of all, the comfort has been great. I've been sleeping very regularly. Everything feels good. I just had these sutures out. That was a painless process, which I did not expect. I thought that was going to be a little cringy, but it was not. I think the coolest thing is it reminds me of my early 20s when I saw what my hair loss was going to be. Now I'm looking in the mirror and I can kind of see what it's going to be again now. And it's very exciting. So it harkens back to my early 20s, the depression of seeing it going and kind of the fulfillment of seeing it. I can see where it's going to be. It's obviously not there yet, but I can see what it's going to be, much like I could see what it was going to be all those years ago. It's been 4 months and a couple of weeks, and I'm feeling really good. There's moments where I catch my reflection coming down the hallway or at the doors at work, and it's just the sun doesn't cut through it as much anymore. So I've been told we're very early in the process. I was waving a victory flag already because I thought we were kind of coming to the end of the process. 4 months in, to hear that I'm only at 30 or so % growth is very exciting. So my confidence is up. I'm feeling good, and it's been a great process so far. I'm very happy with the natural hairline. No one can tell. I do like telling people about it. I wear it as a badge of honor. I'm really excited that I took the leap here, and I'm proud of myself. The other thing is the guy that cuts my hair. He can't believe it, and it becomes a point of conversation every time we're there, especially dealing with the back, how well that scar, for lack of a better word, but it's really just a line that's almost about the same skin tone as the skin around it. If this is my hair for the next 20 years, I'm a very happy guy. I can't tell you the last time I looked at a mirror and felt negative about myself and looked at that. That's all I did. Every glass that I walked by for the last 10 years, I'd look at my hair and go, gosh, man. And that thought hasn't come into my head in about a year, and it's really just exciting. It's really exciting for me.